Hello everyone, today we will be talking about Moto Edge 20 Pro, but before we begin, let me just switch it on for you. There you go. So as you can see, there's a triple camera setup right over here. You'll also find a very nice polycarbonate back as well. It has a very nice glossy finish too. Moving on the right hand side, you can find that there's a power button right over here. I'm sorry about the Hello Moto sound. So there's a power button right over here, and right above it you will find the volume rockers. Moving on the left hand side, you will find a button to access the Google Assistant. There you go. And at the bottom you can see there's a SIM card slot right over here. At the center you will find a C-type charging port, and on the right hand side you will find the speaker grill. And as you can see at the top center, there you go, there's a punch hole notch for the front camera. Now, speaking of the display, the phone provides you with a 6.7 inches OLED display with a screen to body ratio of 89.0%. It also provides you with a 144Hz refresh rate, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone provides you with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 octa-core processor with a clock speed of 3.2 GHz. It is also powered by Android 11 and it runs on a battery of 4500 mAh. As you can see, the phone provides you with a triple camera setup which includes a 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel periscope telephoto and 16 megapixel ultra wide. The phone also provides you with a 32 megapixel front camera. The phone provides you with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and along with that it also provides you with essentials such as Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS and NFC. So that's all folks, this is all about Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching our